Welcome to a world without carbon dioxide, what a zero-emission future would actually look like. In this video, we'll explore the transformative possibilities that a zero-emission world holds for our society and environment. From clean and renewable energy sources to revolutionary electric transportation systems, we'll dive into the innovative technologies and practices that could reshape our cities and industries. Join us as we envision a sustainable future marked by healthier ecosystems, improved public health, and economic growth, all while addressing global energy equity and dietary transformations. Let's imagine together how we can turn this vision into reality. 1. Clean and renewable energy. In a world without carbon dioxide emissions, fossil fuels would become relics of the past. Instead, our energy would come exclusively from clean and renewable sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Imagine solar panels glistening on rooftops and wind turbines spinning gracefully in the open fields. These sources would power everything from our homes to industries and vehicles. The sun, wind, and water would become our primary energy providers, reducing our carbon footprint significantly. However, transitioning to renewable energy requires substantial investment in infrastructure and technology. It's like building a new foundation for our entire energy system. 2. Electric transportation revolution. The familiar rumble of gasoline and diesel engines would be replaced by the quiet hum of electric vehicles. Picture a world where cars, buses, trains, and even planes run solely on electricity. Charging stations would be as common as gas stations are today, ensuring seamless travel. This shift would necessitate a robust charging infrastructure and renewable energy grids to support the growing demand. While electric transportation promises reduced emissions, it also requires innovations in battery technology and sustainable energy production. It's a journey towards cleaner air and quieter cities. 3. Green building. Imagine walking into a building that harnesses the sun's warmth for heating, has walls that insulate against extreme temperatures, and roofs adorned with solar panels. These green buildings would be the norm in a zero-emission world. Homes and commercial spaces would be designed with energy efficiency as a priority. Passive heating, advanced insulation, and smart technologies would minimize energy consumption. Such buildings would not only reduce emissions but also lower utility bills and create healthier living environments. The challenge lies in retrofitting existing buildings and adopting these technologies on a large scale. 4. Carbon-free manufacturing. In the industrial landscape, manufacturing processes would undergo a radical transformation. The production of materials like steel and cement, traditionally heavy polluters, would shift to clean technologies. Green hydrogen and electrification would replace fossil fuels, eliminating carbon dioxide emissions from these industries. Picture factories that operate without belching smoke into the sky. This shift requires innovation and investment in new technologies, making it a challenging yet essential step towards a zero-emission future. It's about reimagining how we make the things we rely on every day. 5. Nature-centered urban design. Cities would no longer be concrete jungles but vibrant ecosystems. Imagine urban areas filled with parks, green roofs, and vertical forests. These nature-centered designs would improve air quality, boost biodiversity, and enhance the livability of urban spaces. Urban farming would flourish, providing fresh produce close to home. Such designs would require rethinking city planning and prioritizing green spaces over traditional infrastructure. While the change might be challenging, the benefits of cleaner air and healthier living conditions would be well worth the effort. 6. Dietary shift. Our plates would look different in a world without carbon dioxide emissions. Meat consumption would decline, replaced by plant-based and lab-grown alternatives. Livestock farming is a significant contributor to emissions, and reducing meat consumption would have a substantial impact. Imagine enjoying a delicious burger made from plant-based ingredients without compromising on taste. This shift requires cultural acceptance and innovation in food production. It's about embracing new dietary habits for the sake of our planet's health. 7. Global energy equity. access to renewable energy could become a reality for everyone, especially in developing nations. Imagine communities no longer reliant on imported fuels, achieving energy independence through local renewable sources. This shift would reduce energy costs and increase resilience against global energy market fluctuations. However, achieving global energy equity requires international cooperation and investment in renewable infrastructure. It's about leveling the playing field and ensuring everyone has access to clean energy. 8. Innovative carbon removal technologies. Despite our best efforts, some carbon dioxide emissions may still persist. That's where innovative carbon removal technologies come in. Strategies like direct air capture and bioenergy with carbon capture and storage, BECCS, would help create a balanced carbon cycle. Imagine machines that extract carbon dioxide from the air, effectively undoing past emissions. While these technologies hold promise, they are still in the early stages of development and require significant investment. It's about finding ways to clean up our environmental footprint. 9. Reduced pollution and health benefits. In a zero-emission world, the air we breathe and the water we drink would be cleaner than ever before. Imagine a world where respiratory illnesses are significantly reduced, and overall health improves. Fewer emissions mean fewer pollutants in the environment, leading to healthier populations worldwide. This change would bring about a revolution in public health and quality of life. However, achieving it requires addressing the sources of pollution and embracing cleaner alternatives. It's about creating a healthier world for future generations. 10. Economic transformation. Hartford is a town where unity and preparedness go hand in hand when dealing with extreme weather. The town has developed a comprehensive emergency management plan, coordinating efforts between local government, businesses, and residents. Hartford's infrastructure is regularly inspected and reinforced to withstand severe weather conditions. The town also prioritizes communication, keeping residents informed and engaged during weather events. Hartford's united approach ensures it remains resilient against the elements.